Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Coco's in the car with my husband right now. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. So quick update. Quick update. We are in Jackson, Mississippi. So our last videos were San Diego, 2 in Hawaii, and then now we're here because we are moving. So when we left Hawaii, we went to San Diego for a few days and then we started our journey. We left Texas today, like the Houston area, and we made it to this point. We're stopping because you can tell it's starting to get dark, but let's check it out. Am I going in the out? I think I was going in the out. Okay, so I said this recently too. Normally I don't show the bags, but they've got some cute bags. This is a Steve Madden bag for $25. Little Juicy Couture backpack for $30. These are really cute, y'all. Like super cute. What is this? I like this. I like this little thing too. Let's go look at the makeup. Okay, so I guess they have some gifts for Valentine's Day. We do have the Beauty Blender foundation for $10. We also have the primer here. How much is this one? $7.99 for that. Look at this, Extra Bloody Mary. This is a high shine plumping lip duo. $4.99 for that. We have that Ciate London palette that we got in like Boxy or Ipsy a while ago. $6.99 for this. We have a little MAC Fix Plus for $10 there. Bunch of Becca highlighters here and rose quartz for $13. Tons of Cara palettes, $7.99 for those shades. And then they have this pink one back here, those shades. We have these from BH Cosmetics. So we have 2 different ones. We have Aspen. Let's check her out. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Look at this pink. I'm pointing to it with my hand. Okay, this pink is what I'm talking about. This is gonna be $6. And then let's look at this one. Okay, this is an eyeshadow. I was expecting the Aspen one to be an eyeshadow. So this one is an eyeshadow palette. And then we have this, which we see all the time. $24, I'm guessing, because it normally is. Yep, $24.99. And then this, which y'all said it retails for like 50 something dollars at Sephora, and it's $14.99 here, those shades. In Hawaii, I opened this up and I just felt like the packaging was really cheap. I would never spend that much for cheap packaging like that. I don't like beauty concepts. The quality is not good to me, but this is super cute packaging, $5.99. And then they have, they have a little cherry one, and they also have, what is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, I have never seen this Cara eyeshadow palette before. It's gonna be those shades for $7.99. Should I buy this? I feel like I should buy this. I think we'll buy it. Let's put it in our thing. Okay, then we have the magazines, which we always see for $7.99, and then you have this one also. I have all of them, and I think I'm gonna sell a Cara bundle once we're settled on Poshmark. And we have this for $12.99. I don't think I've seen this before. Have I seen this? Oh my gosh, y'all, she is really cute. She's pretty. I'm not gonna buy this because we're traveling, but if we weren't traveling and I had space and everything, is someone stealing? I don't know what's happening. If we had space and we weren't traveling, then I would probably buy this one. And then we have this, which I have this. This is $20, and then they have that one that's also $20, and then some Morphe stuff down here. This is $7.99, and then we have those Jaclyn Hill palettes. Oh, look how cute this packaging is. I should get these for the girls because they're adorable. I don't even know, what are we calling this? OOs? It's supposed to be 2000s, but it's Remix Dance for $10 from BH Cosmetics. Y'all, she's actually super pretty. And then, oh my God, gotta shout this out because I think I put this on my top favorite bronzers when I did a video a while ago. $3.99. I love the buttered bronzers. What's this back here? Marc Jacobs Glow Away. It's a bronzing coconut body stick. What? $10. Let's look at it. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty nice. Oh my God. I feel like I need this. Why do I need this? I'm already brown. I feel like we're just having like some Cara finds. So we have this Scorpio palette here. It's gonna look like that for $7. And then we have this for $6. Oh, it's a blush palette, and I guess you get a highlighter also. And then we have These two, which I also haven't seen, $10 for each of them. The packaging is super cute. You get those shades for this one, and then this one is gonna be blue shades. Yes, of course it is. You get that there. What is this? Is this a high-end brand? Because this is $17, and $17 for TJ Maxx is expensive to me anyway. A cute little BH Cosmetics here for $6. Let's look at it. Oh, a little highlighter type of palette, highlight blush-ish kind of thing going. Look, we've got a little Becca set here, a little duo. This is going to be the liquid highlighter and the regular one. What is, I want to say it's like opal or something like that. I don't see the name, but $10 for this. What are these? Bodyography. $4.99. Why do I feel like I've heard of this before? We have two of the same shades, and then, yep, same shade there. What's this? Oh, we've seen these before. These are going to be $14.99, and then we have this Becca, which is gorgeous. I have this one. It's $12.99. And then look how cute this packaging is. Oh my gosh, so obsessed. Look at that. This is gonna be $8. That one's gonna be $9. These are freaking adorable. I literally can't even. We've got a bunch of Morphe here. We've got these little, what are these? Highlighting sticks. We have two of them. We've got some other stuff here. What is this? Concealers. We've got some concealers also. Some Bobbi Brown loose setting powder for 18 bucks. Elf baked highlighters are so good, especially if you wet the brush. $3 for that. Oh, and then they have a sheer tint finishing powder for $3 also. We have this highlighter from Becca. It's gonna be $12.99. It's a liquefied highlighter. Seems like a lot. Is this a body highlighter? Because that is a lot for your face. That'll last your lifetime there. And then we've seen all of these. These are the Lime Crimes, but what is this? Oh, she is very pretty. I kind of love this. Okay, well, $4.99, I gotta get that. Let's pick one that is not broken and throw it on in there. Y'all, I literally look like a hot mess, and I've been filming these videos with my phone, and the camera part is over here, but I keep looking over there, so that's why I look crazy. But I feel like when we are settled in and moved into DC, into our new house, I will do a haul video of all of this stuff I got, even though I'm trying not to really get that much. I feel like their makeup selection is pretty small here, but I did just find these Real Techniques brushes. They're only gonna be $7.99 for these brushes, so I kind of want to buy them, but it's like, stop buying stuff. Oh, and you also get a makeup eraser with this too. Oh, it's for face and cheek. What do you do? What do you do? I feel like their makeup section is really weird. They just have these things, and I'm used to like the taller things, and we still haven't come across the lipstick. This is like the mascara and stuff. So, okay, we have more eyeshadow palettes over here. Let's check it out. Oh, tons of Morphe. So we have this one for $9. You get those shades. And then we have the lavender one here, probably also $9 for that one. We've got some Bare Minerals foundations here. These are gonna be $14.99. The No Problem here for $9.99. Got some Marc Jacobs here, $12.99. And then, dude, I spent like $50-something on this, $14.99. We were in a TJ Maxx. I picked up my perfect shade because I was gonna return the one I got to Sephora and get my $50 back, because this is $15, and I don't think I bought it, or I lost it. And now I don't remember which one I had. Maybe I had tan. I think I had tan. Just forget it. Should I? Yeah, I should. Should I? Yeah, okay. Anyway, let's carry on. We have some MAC here, $15. We've got some Stila for $11. Kat Von D over here, $11. We have this Smashbox setting spray here for $8. We've got some Bite here. This is a supercharged micellar foundation. I have no clue. $12.99 in that shade. Oh, we got some Ciate London dewy highlighters. These are glossy cheek glows, $4.99. And then what is this? I think this is a little stick, deep bronze, $6.99 for that. We've got some NARS here, setting powder for $12.99. And then I think this is a highlighting powder. This is gonna be $12.99. Let's see what else we can find. This is the Bare Minerals palette that we see often, $14.99 for that. We've got, those MAC highlighter sets here for $20, $29. So $29.99 for that. More Cara palettes. More Cara palettes, which we've seen all of those. More Cara. I've heard good things about these. $7.99. And then more Cara. Oh, do I have this? Because if I don't, I feel like I need it. $10. It's $10. My little buggy over here is kind of adding up because this is $10. That's $10. That's $8. This is, what did I say it was? $15. Okay, we're kind of adding up to too much money. $5 for that. Anyway, let's keep it moving. We do have a bunch of Cara palettes. Oh, I don't think I've seen this. Have I seen this? I don't think I have. Fruity Smoothie, $6.99, but this one's broken. Look at this one, Glam My Way. This is gonna be $7.99. Cara is like taking over TJ Maxx, y'all. We see these all the time, $12.99. They have two different shades. Oh, they're right here, two different shades. Hello. Laura Mercier, I like these, $12.99. Oh, what do we have here? What are these little babies? Okay, so I saw this one earlier. So $3.99, and we have a few different shades. That's actually really cute. How's the quality on these? Okay, now we're getting into the lipstick. I was so confused. Like, where's the lipstick? We got some NARS here, and Mama loves a NARS. Is this, oh my God, is it empty? Did someone steal this? And there's no price. Yeah, y'all, this is empty. Someone stole it, so that sucks. Put that to the side. Anyway, let's carry on. We have some different shades here. $7.99. We've got a little Vice one here. $7.99. We have this plummy kind of shade, $7.99. MAC lippies here for $7.99, which is a running theme. Elf, this is pretty. These are gonna be $2.99. More Makeup Obsession. I kind of like this. $3.99 for those shades, and then they also have those shades. We've got some BH Cosmetics Lip Gleam, $2.99. They have a few different shades there. Oh, look at this. I think I bought this, but like full price. $3.99 for that. Let's see. Oh, I wanted to find this palette so bad. This is $4.99. Did not see the palette. If I found the palette, I would buy it just because I just want it. I think that's about it. We've got a little Bobbi Brown. This is $10. Let's see what else we can find, if anything. Okay, it looks like they have a good skincare collection. Look at this. This is $30. They have a lot of stuff, but y'all, I gotta go because they're waiting for me, and we actually want to look for some winter jackets at the Old Navy. That's right next to here. Yeah, maybe they don't have a lot of good stuff. Maybe that was just one good find, but they do color coordinate everything. So you have all your orange stuff here, your green stuff here, your purple stuff there. So I like that. I like that look. We found brushes, and then we're gonna look at these, and then I gotta go because they're waiting for me. $3.99 for this bad boy. This one is $6.99. Oh, we have that Urban Decay brush that we see all the time, $9.99. Real Techniques, I really love their brushes. $3.99 for this one, and then we have this one here. This is gonna be $2.99 only. We have this from BH Cosmetics, an eyeshadow brush set for $7.99. They have a bunch of them. They have this, which we see often, and I've heard good things about, $7.99. What is this? Okay, look at this little Real Techniques set. Oh, $3.99. $3.99 for that one. Hello, Real Techniques coming through. I like the pink here. $3.99. All my $3.99s are gonna start adding up though, y'all. That's pretty. Is that a stippling brush? They're so hard to find a good stippling brush. $3.99. We didn't see these. These are gonna be $5.99. Oh, look at this one. This is pretty. What brand is this? Spectrum, never heard of them. $5.99. Okay, they have a bunch of little Spectrum brushes here. $7.99. They have that one back there. Oh, and then they have this Real Techniques set. Ay, ay, ay. $5.99 for this. I think I have this brush and I really like it. Okay, just randomly found this brush set from Sephora. This is $12.99. I'm not gonna lie, this feels pretty heavy duty. Like, these feel like solid brushes. And then just the normal beauty blenders, except they do have these. I think they're the same price on Amazon, or possibly even a little cheaper. Okay, so I pretty much put everything back except for this because it's only $5. And I mean, dude, I'm cheap and we don't have the space, and I'm trying to like pack the makeup that I buy in between clothes so that it's safe and it doesn't break, and it's just kind of a hassle. And then I don't know, I don't need this. Why would I get this? Do I need to get this? I might get this. I'm gonna think on it while I'm walking to the register. Hopefully I'll be able to stop at a few more before we make it to DC. I don't know. And I would love to actually be able to sit down and film a real video like normal. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.